Hello, I'm your host, the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. I'm here to analyze pine straw for chicken bedding. Pine straw is one of my favorite beddings. This free carbon source is oddly enough one of the best at absorbing water. However, chicks show to grow slower on pine straw compared to other beddings. Early poultry research shows that pine straw cakes over too quickly. However, with my non-commercial strains of poultry, and the fact I do not stock my pens as high, the pine straw has worked wonders for TPP. There's a misconception that pine straw is acidic and will make the compost from the litter acidic. My counter to that is that pine trees do not make the soil acidic. Actually, pine trees grow in acidic soil. One of the best things about living in the piney woods of East Texas is the pine straw. All the pine straw in our coops is gathered from a neighbor's lawn. We raked it up into his trailer, and he drops it off next to the chicken pens. So we're taking one's waste and turning into a useful product. How sustainable is that? There is a drawback. Pine trees don't grow everywhere. You can buy bales, however, I suggest using bedding material that is produced closer to home. That wraps it up. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. And don't forget to check out our social media accounts. Links are in the description below. Like the video and subscribe. I've been the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. For now, I bid you farewell and encourage all to keep your hens happy and healthy.